Okay, for our module 14 and 15 race response, we are going to work on using our averages and our means to find out what score you would need to get on a test to get a certain percentage overall. So Ainsley has scored 92, 78, 84, 81, and 98 on her 5 tests so far. She wants an average of 85. She has one more test to take. What is the lowest score she can get and still end up with 85% overall? So we know she wants 85% when she is done. So she's taken 5 tests. We know she has 6 tests she is going to take. So there's lots of ways you can go about solving this. So one way I'm just thinking off the bat. So right, I know she wants 85. And right, I'm thinking fair share. I'm spreading these all out, and she wants to take, there's going to be 6 tests. So I'm going to see what would the total of her test scores be if she had 85 points on every test, and see how I can balance out her test scores. So I'm going to start with 85 times 6 is 30. So here we have wow, sorry guys. Okay, 48, 49, 50, 51. So there is 510. So total, she needs 510 points. So I'm going to see how much she already has. So I know she needs 510 points because there's going to be 6, right? The mean is just fair sharing everything. So if I rearrange these all like I gave, right, some of these to this to make them both 85. So I'm rearranging. So this one's a little lower, right? So let's see what we have. So we've got 92, 78, 84, 81, 98. So here is 16 plus 4 is 20, 22, 23. And then we have, here is 11, and 9 is 20, and 16 is 36, and 7 more, 36 and 7 more is going to end in a 3. So what did I say? 36, man, 43, 433. I need 510. So she needs 510 points to get 85. She has 433 after 5 tests. So her last test score needs to be 77. So if I add all of these up, so plus 77 would be 510 divided by 6 tests would give me exactly 85%. So the lowest she can get is 77%. So she can do kind of not that great on her test and still get an 85 overall. So if she's getting a higher score, that's really going to bump her up. So now I just need to do my race response here. So, right, our R is that. Okay, so our R, we're going to restate the question. So the lowest score she can get. So the lowest score she can get and still get an 85% overall is, I'm answering the question for A, so is a 77 on the last test. So there's my R, restate the question, A, answer the question. Now C is I'm going to cite how I knew what I needed to do. So an average is using a fair share to spread out the data. So I took the number of tests she would take and multiplied by the score she wanted. Then I found the sum of her current scores, right? And found the difference of what she needed still. And then my E is my evidence. Here is my work that I did that. So when we are trying to find out what we still need to get, thinking in terms of fair share and what I need. How many points do I need total? Right? Finding that total is really going to help us see what we still need to do in order to get that final score there.